Let's start with the runoffs. There is no runoff really, so it's really walls, and you can kiss them maybe, but not too much. So it's a big challenge. You have different kinds of asphalt and manhole covers and all kinds of stuff. So super cool. You have the fans a lot closer. You have all the big buildings around. I mean, it's a great scenery. I think it's a great idea.
I love street racing, but this is one of the tightest street courses we'll ever run. It makes it even more difficult.
It's by far the best sounding race car, I think, in the GT category, especially here around the streets of Detroit. You can hear it when I'm in the pits. I know when our car is gonna go by, just by the sound and by the noise.
I love street racing. I think it's one of the greatest things we do in racing because we are bringing it to the people, right? So we have people here today that wouldn't be here if we weren't racing the streets. And people are coming in here and they get to feel, smell, get all the vibes, hang out next to the car.
It's an amazing livery. I think it looks so cool. All the images and videos I see, and people like it.
When you look at this car and understand what it is, you have all this background and history. And for us, I say it all the time, one of my favorite things about racing is making history.